is about MSA, Measurement System Analysis. The question is asked by Mr. Kovendaivel, Interplex Electronics India Private Limited. Now the question is how to arrive TV value in bias and G/R study.
Nice. The total variation is a combination of path variation, measurement related variations. So the total variation must be compared in MSA in almost all the studies excepting stability check. The total variation to be compared to the EV, equipment variation. The equipment variation should not cross 10% of the total variation. That's why we need total variation in all the studies excepting stability check. We have to get the manufacturing variation, that is total variation, only from the manufacturing department. Simply it is 1 sigma value of the manufacturing process. But manufacturing process sigma will include machine related, manufacturing operator related plus MSA related. It's a combination. It has to be obtained only from the manufacturing department. Thank you.